We are passing on to a chapter, odd numbers and even numbers. So what is an even number? If a number which can be divided into pairs, or if a thing or a number, if it is divided into groups. What is a group is called as 2. What is a pair? A pair, one pair is equal to 2. So what are the things you can find in pair? Just say what are the things. If it is taken one, you can't use that. So what are the things you can use in pair? Just recall it and say the slipper. If one slipper is taken, can use the another slipper? No. That's not the correct, we can't use it. So what are the things, can you say another example for using in pairs? So what is a pair? A pair means it will be in 2. Okay, so one pair is equal to 2. So what are the things which comes under pair? What are the things we can divide into pair? 2 2 பிரிக்க முடியிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் even numbers. The thing which comes under 1 if the other onesல வர்றது எல்லாமே odd numbers அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so can we find? So come. So first write the number. So can you sequence the number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so I told the even number will start in pairs. We have to divide the number in pairs. Okay, so what is pair? A pair is 2. Okay, so first start from 2. Next one is 4. Next one is 6. Next one is 8, and the last one is 10. This is the even number, that is leaving 2 numbers. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, the number which ends in 10, the number which ends in 2s, that is called as even number. And the number which doesn't have a pair, that is called as odd numbers. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I'll show a example. So I am going to So I have drawn 1 2 3 4 5, just 6 flowers here. So now I am going to divide the flowers into pairs. As I have told, what is a pair? Into 2. Okay, so can we start rounding into pairs? So 1 2 1 2 1 2. So if a thing or if a number, if it can be divided into pairs, then it is called as a even number. So now let us see. So then what is the odd number? After dividing, if any remainder comes, if a number comes under, if a number or a thing is left, then we will be say it as odd numbers. Okay, see same we can draw. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So same way can we divide into pairs. Okay, this is the method to find out whether a number is even number or a odd number. If a number can be divided into pairs பிரிக்க முடியும் அப்படினா, then it is a even number. If a number is left pair பிரிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் after dividing into pairs, if a number or if a thing is left now, then it is a odd number. So can we divide this number into pairs? So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So how many pairs are there? 1 2 3 4, and 1 is left. என்ன இருக்குது? one flower is left. So this is odd number. So after dividing into pairs, பிரிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் if any number or if anything is left அப்படினா, then it is odd number. So balance உள்ள, that is நம்ம numbers எழுதணும் இல்லைங்களா? 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I told, take into twos. Twos are போறது even number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the balance which we have left as ones is odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is the method for finding a even numbers and the odd numbers. So I'll write some numbers and find out which is the given odd numbers and even numbers. So tick the odd numbers and cross the even numbers. Okay, so which is the even numbers? I told no, the number which comes under 2, the number which we can divide into twos. That is, say along with me, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what is the balanced numbers that we call as odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these 5 numbers will be termed as odd numbers. So 9 is a even number or odd number. So we can write here till you get memorized. Until you get memorized, you write it on the top of your notebook which is the even number and which is the odd number. Once you get okay, once you are ready with the even and odd numbers, you can start doing the sums easily. So what is the even? What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So for some days, once you get ready with this, we can write the numbers at the top of the notebook. First learn it, then we can start doing the sums. So 9 is odd number or even number? It is a odd number. So put a cross. 3 is odd number or even number? It is odd number. So again put a cross. 4 is a even number. So put a tick. 8 is an even number. So tick. Next to 6 is an even number. So until you get thorough, please write the numbers at the top of your notebook and then get memorized. So what are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Please memorize this. Okay, so this is so easy. This you have to learn till your class is finished. Okay, next odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, this is the 1-digit number, so you have easily find out which are the even numbers and odd numbers. For example, if the number is given in tens, that is more than 2-digit number, more than 3-digit number, more than 4-digit numbers, we can find out for all the numbers. Okay, a number from 0 to the infinity, it is termed into the even numbers and odd numbers. Numbers எல்லாமே 0 ல இருந்து infinity வரைக்கும் either even numbers ஆ இருக்கும் or odd numbers ஆ இருக்கும். So can we see for the 2-digit number? For example, 49, 38, 86, for 34, 78, 80, 47. So if it is given in 2-digit number, how we have to find out whether it is a given number or odd number? It is so simple. How many numbers it may be? Not only for 2-digit number, if it is given in 3-digit number, that is 394, 187, 639. So how many numbers they may give? Lakhs, hundreds, we can easily find out the odd and even numbers. The simple thing what you are going to do is, please underline the last digit of the given number. Here what is the last digit given? Here 9, here 8, here 6, here 4, here 8, here 7, here 4, here 7, here 3. So from this we can easily find out what is the even number and what is the odd number. 9 comes under even odd number? Yes, so it is wrong. 8 is an even number, so it is tick. 6 comes under even number, so put tick. 4 an even number, tick. 8 is even number. 7 odd number. 4 even number. 7 odd number. 9 odd number. So this is the easy method for finding whether it is a even number or odd number. First what you have to do is you have to learn, you have to memorize what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers. First write it on the board, write it on your notebook 2 or 3 times. Okay.